Hello, everyone. In this video, we will continue the second part of this multiple choice questions in chapter 12 of the Java book. So the second part begins from question 12.12. Which of the following statements are true? Please select all that apply. You use the keyword throughs to declare exception in the method heading. So that's throughs, like implements, extends, so with this S throughs. A method may declare to through multiple exceptions. It's correct. To through an exception, use the keyword through. So that's through versus here's throughs. So that's correct. If a checked exception occurs in a method, it must be either caught or declared to be thrown from the exception. That's correct. All right, next, analyze the following code. So this is the code here. Here's a man throws my exception. My exception is a subtype of error. Now, there's some issue here because this is error is unchecked exception, so there's really no need to do this. You should not declare a class that extends error, because error resists a fatal error that terminates the program. B, you cannot declare an exception in the main method. So that's not right. You declared an exception in the main method, but you did not through it. No, that's not. The program has a compiler. No. So the answer is A, you should not declare a class. You should declare a custom class extends the exception class. What exception type does the following program through? So here, this is object. You want to cast it into a string, but this is object. So you're going to have a class cast exception. 15, analyze the following code. So this is the code here is a string. You pass this into an int. So that's a problem because this is not an int. So this is going to cause a number format exception. So this is already says here, the program displays here number format exception. Now, I think there's here is the order. Runtime exception is a subtype of exception. You should have this. The program actually it's going to have a compile error because the order is not correct here, and that's my guess here. I'm going to try this. Look here is exception, and this is runtime exception. So yeah, so that's all right. So we're going to check it back, see if we make a mistake on this. All right, the next one. An instance of, so what is this? Describes programming errors such as bad casting, accessing in out of bounds error, and numeric errors. So here is runtime exception. Analyze the following program. So here we have string, you're going to pass this int. So here is exception. This is being called exception. So this is exception is displayed. So here the program and the exception is rest and due to this. Yes, that's correct. What is displayed on the console when running the following program. So this is the program. Here's P, and this is the one here. Is this is passing. So here you're going to have through exception, but it's not caught here. And going back to this, it is number format exception. So this is the number format exception. This is going to be displayed. The program displays number format exception. Okay. All right, next. What is displayed on the console when running the following program? So this is the program. Here's, and this one here through its exception. So here's in the try catch. And this is going to be here. It's going to be a runtime exception. So this is the code. It's going to display the runtime exception. And so it will continue after this runtime exception here. And this is a continue. And this is after the method call. So it's going to display a runtime exception followed by after the method call. So because this is already handled, so you continue this. What is one in the following program? So here we have this, welcome to Java. So this is try. No, you have to have catch or finally. You should not have try block without a catch. You cannot have a try block without a catch or a finally. So this is the correct answer. All right, now let's look at this. What is displayed on the console when running the following program? So here is welcome to Java. The finally clause is executed. All right, so now let's see here. Yes, we have, this is the welcome to Java followed by finally is always executed right here. What is displayed on the console when running the following program? This is welcome to Java, but you still have to do this. So it's this welcome to Java followed by the finally clause is executed. I think even you have this return. So let's check this. It's possible that if you have return, see this is what, see what happens. So I'm going to check it now. 22. So we're gonna go check now. Oh, okay. So everything is correct now. So here, let's go back all the way down, 22. So that's true. So even you have return, you still have to do this, then return. So this is here. All right, that is all for this part. We will continue the next part of this chapter 12 multiple choice questions.